We have Japanese style panko, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, about a 1/4 cup of minced onion, some green onion from my dad's garden, just a few pieces, 1 egg. We're gonna eyeball in some sriracha. Same thing for the Kewpie, probably just an eyeball, but I think maybe a tablespoon if we're measuring. 1/4 of this block of tofu, some pepper to taste, Trader Joe's umami seasoning, and the star of the show, the canned tuna. Add in the canned tuna and be sure to drain out all the liquid. The tofu has been drained and patted down, so now we can throw this into the tuna mixture. Add in the green onions. Add in garlic. And lastly, add in some onions. Add in some Kewpie, Sriracha, quick mix. I also use my hands to kind of break it up a little bit more after I mix it up. So this is what it should look like. Wrapped in plastic now, and I'm gonna be put in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Spray the pan with oil. Time to form the patties. The patties are done. I'm trying to eat the rainbow today, you guys. And then shout out to my dad for my McDonald's collector's meal cup. It has the Hello Kitty and the Snoopy.